Hi everybody, this is Andy from Skills for New Media, bringing the latest reviews, tutorials and creative experience online. And today I'm going to be teaching you some new Excel skills. So make sure you like the video, share the content and subscribe to our channel. Let's give this a go. Why, hi there and welcome back to Skills for You Media. And today I'm going to be teaching you how to create your own bank account tracker. So first of all, we're going to start off with a blank spreadsheet. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab some raw data of how or transactions that you might have in your bank account. So I'm just going to get some data, just place it in like that. So obviously, you know, how you set up your data is up to you. So obviously you can see here we've got dates, we've got items of what would be transacted on a monthly basis out of your account, the company which it's from, and whether it's a credit or a debit. Okay. So obviously you can rewind or pause the video and copy this data. Within a bank account, you always have a starting amount. Okay, so I'm just going to place in the top here starting balance, and in E2 I'm going to put 3,000. Great stuff. Okay, so obviously you can see from here we got credits, so that's finances coming into your account, and debits, which are finances coming out of your account. And what we want to do is after each transaction find out how much you have left, and then right at the bottom we're going to have a total. Okay, so from here I'm going to click total. So the format, or shall I say the formula, is going to be equals. So we're going to start off 3,000. Take away this cell here, which is E5, plus B5. Let's just come back over here. So obviously you can see straight away that we've got 3,000 plus 1,500. Obviously there's nothing in debit, equals 4,500, which is perfect. Okay, so what we want to do is from here automatically calculate what these values are here. So what I'm going to do is going to go equals this 4,500 take away 300 plus D6, like so. Okay, now I've done that formula, so it's referencing this cell above. I'm going to copy this down. So as you can see that F6 is now highlighted. I left click on this little box here and I hold down the left button and then I drag down. So automatically the values are there. Okay. So if I went and changed that to 500, automatically it calculates. So from here we should be able to do exactly the same. We're going to do it slightly differently though. So I'm going to go equals starting balance plus. So what I'm going to do is add up the sum of from D4 to D16. So I'm going to put sum brackets, and then from here with the left button I select D5 through to D16. Close brackets. Then I'm going to take away the sum, so it's equal minus sum brackets, the whole of this column. So I'm selecting all the way down, close brackets. So there you go. Obviously you can track after each payment using here, and then from here what I've done is done it automatically calculating, so it's taking the starting balance, adding the credit or anything within that credit row, and also from there taking away the debit. So let's make that a little bit smarter. Okay, so from here I'm going to select, let's do a little bit of formatting. So what I did there was left click, holding down the left button, dragging across to F4. I go to home. Okay, so from here I'm going to select that color there. I'm going to make it nice and white. Brilliant stuff. Okay, so from this line I'm selecting. So what I did there, I pushed down the left button, dragged across. Now I'm going to make that blue. I'm going to do this alternate. I did the same thing there. Okay, so remember we used our copy formatter. So I'm going to select, so what I did there is select row 5, holding down the left button, selecting row 6 and releasing the left button. I copy, press the format painter and I drag down. Makes it all nice and pretty. From here we go to column B. I want that aligned to left. So align that to left. Just want to make that nice, a little bit nicer. Like so. These ones are fine, so we're going to go from here. Make sure they're all horizontally aligned. What I'm doing there is automatically dragging. Sure what happened there. That was a bit strange, wasn't it? Okay, so from there, just going to change the font to something like maybe Verdana. Just trying to find it on here. Bring that down to around about 9. Perfect. So we're going to format the currency here. So from here, I'm going to select D5 through to F5 all the way down. So I'm selecting all the numbers here. I'm going to right click in this area just like that. Go to number. Now obviously depending on what country you're from, you'd select the correct currency for your country. Okay. Ooh. That last one, there we go. So there you go, it looks kind of quite nice. So from here I just would, here, we could bring that across to that cell there, put total. What I'm doing there is I've just went to the borders formatter, selected the double line on the bottom, one on the top. Just make that bold, like so. Do the same on the top and drag that across. So there you go, that is a very simple how to actually track your bank account. So what you could do is predictable, you could do some predicting spend by actually having your main spreadsheet down here and then possibly down the bottom here. If you think you're going to be doing additional spend across the month, you could do a predicted spend. So what I do is change the starting balance to that, and then from here, so I might think about, oh, you know what, I fancy getting a hat. Obviously it's going to be a very expensive hat. 2009 hat, company hat shop. 500 quid. So I'm kind of like predicting, so outside my normal spend, if I think about buying a hat and it's 500 quid, then obviously what I'd have left is 2,400. Okay. So that is a very simple way of tracking your bank account. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe to the content and I'll catch you next time.